welcome to the podcast. Today, we're exploring an electrifying notion, making $10,000 a month with AI. Did you catch that hook? AI is turning ordinary folks into millionaires, while most are left in the dust.
So the idea is that AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore, right? It's like a magic wand for generating cash. Almost too good to be true.
Exactly, it's like AI is automating businesses across the board. Websites, e-commerce stores, YouTube channels, all running virtually hands-free.
Indeed. But wait, how does this really work? I mean, can AI really operate a whole business without human input?
Yes, absolutely. One secret is AIAutomation. Imagine a YouTube channel where the scripts, editing, and voiceovers are all generated by AI. Some channels are even pulling in like $50,000 a month.
Right, that's pretty insane. It sounds almost utopian, but isn't there a risk that relying solely on AI might lead to unpredictable outcomes in business operations?
Well, that's a fair point. There is always a risk when you remove the human touch. However, the systems are engineered for resilience. They use predefined scripts and protocols that lower the margin for error.
True. All right, then it moves into another cool arena, AI trading and investing. Imagine AI algorithms predicting market trends with about 90% accuracy. Sounds almost surreal.
Yeah, and it really is game-changing. These AI trading bots process data, spot trends, and execute trades in a flash, way faster than any human trader could dream of.
Yeah, that's revolutionary. I can see the allure. But does this not imply that the market might become overly dependent on algorithms? There's a bit of a risk when everyone starts thinking the same way.
That's a valid critique. However, the beauty here is diversification. While one group leverages trading bots, another is using AI for freelancing and side hustles. It's not a one-size-fits-all.
Sure thing, that makes sense. Speaking of freelancing, the concept of AI-powered side hustles really grabbed my attention. Tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney are enabling people to create content, art, and even voiceovers without prior expertise.
Exactly, it's like turning every hobby into a money-making gig. Artists and freelancers are leveraging these AI tools to make anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 per month. No traditional skills necessary.
Right, absolutely fascinating. So overall, it's this multifaceted approach. AI automation for business, savvy AI trading, and side hustles powered by AI creativity. It paints a picture of, unprecedented wealth opportunities.
Yes, it's kind of like an AI gold rush, where early adopters are reaping the biggest benefits. The production elements here, fast-paced visuals, energetic music, and stock footage of cash and tech,
yeah,
really
I can almost feel the
excitement.
adrenaline. But there's also a call to action, right? A prompt to not just sit back, but to start experimenting with AI tools immediately.
Exactly. It's a pretty clear message. If you're not tapping into AI right now, you might be missing out on the biggest wealth transfer in history.
Absolutely, that's a wake-up call. I must admit, though, I do wonder, are these claims a bit exaggerated? I mean, turning a profit of $10,000 a month sounds almost too optimistic in some cases.
I get that skepticism, and it's a fair jab. The promise of immense wealth can sometimes be overly hyped. But when you consider the rapid advancements in AI and its ability to optimize business processes, it definitely warrants attention.
Right, it's all about staying informed and taking calculated risks. Totally. So, the bottom line, whether it's through automated businesses, crisp AI trading bots, or creative side hustles, the future is undeniably AI-powered. The key is to take action and experiment with what works.
Yep, exactly. If you find value in this AI revolution, now's the time to jump in, test the waters, and see what fortune holds.
Right on, let's get experimenting.